Okay, let's get started. So I'm Chanyuki Ricky. Today I'm gonna introduce CText to my friend Ryan and teach him how to analyze text by the plugin at the website. So welcome Ryan. Let's
Hello.
Let's find the website first. So we have CText. Yes, we have this website. So have you ever wished you could dive into ancient Chinese philosophy, literature, or history with just a few clicks? Let me tell you about this amazing resource I found called CText. In the its full name is Chinese Text Project. Yeah, in short, it is CTP or CText. It's like a digital time machine for exploring pre-modern Chinese text, and it's totally free. You can have access to 40 million pages of ancient writings. So everything from Confucian classics to poetry, historical records, and even rare manuscripts. There are over 8 billion characters. So let's get started and have a look at this website. This site is available in English and Chinese interface. You can see here we have Chinese interface. And for Chinese, there are traditional and simplified characters. Yeah, we have simplified characters. You can change this at any time at the top left-hand corner of every page. You can just browse the left column to find relevant information. For example, we have Confucianism. Yeah, we have Confucianism and Taoism, legalism, and other valuable texts from other dynasty. Yeah, those are the texts from post-Han dynasty and so on. So if you are curious about the Chinese culture, you can search by the keywords, era, and author. We can search here, yeah, the bottom left column of the column. So to get the most out of this website and to use some of the features described here, you can create a free CTP Chinese Text Project account. Due to the time constraints, I have already registered the account. Right, you can register your own account yourself by using your Gmail after finishing this session. So here is another cool part. You can click onto the library. Yeah, let's explore more functions of this website. You can click on the library. So CText doesn't just show you the scanned images of old books. We can pick one of the books, like for example this one, 世说新语. So you can have a look at the pictures, at the images of these books. But moreover, it pairs those images with the transcribed text, so you can read alongside the original text and the transcribed text.
Very cool.
Here. Yeah, so it's very convenient for us, for the students and scholars, to do advanced research of the different classics. So you are almost like holding a museum artifact in your hands. And guess what? One of its features is user-generated that text is built by people like us. So we can go to here, the data wiki. So they use crowdsourcing. That means anyone can help fix errors in the text. So the motto of this website, of this project, is many hands make light work. So if you spot a typo when you are browsing this website, you can correct it in yourself. It is like a Wikipedia. So we can have a look and show you how this user-generated function works. So we can randomly pick
functions.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, this is another one. This is the connection between different kings in the Qing dynasty. Or maybe this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, this one. Let me pick the history of Jing dynasty. So you can edit yourself if you find any errors, and you can change the content of the text. Yeah, so it is user generated, and to make sure all the contents are accurate. So after that, we can have a look about another function. Yeah, because scholars and students always use CText to mine data, study the word frequencies, and track how the ideas evolve in the text over centuries. There are some of the plugins, yeah, for analyzing classical text. Let me show you how the process of text analysis work. So you can find the tools in the left columns. Yeah, later on you can register your account and use the tools. So we have the tools and the plugins. Yeah, I have already installed the tools. We can have a look on these tools. This is called text tools. So you can see the interface here. So we have different functions such as n-gram and similarity. So later on we are going to compare some of the text similarities. So let me pick one text first. So I'm gonna pick the text from Confucianism. We can pick the first one. This is I believe this is the most famous one. Yeah, the 论语, the Analects. So you can browse to the bottom right, there's a is a keyword called URN, and we can copy the URN of the classic. It is CTP colon NLS, and we can copy and paste here, and click on fetch. So the title is here, 论语, and then we can save or add another text. So the basic information of 论语 is here. There are 20 chapters in this text in 论语, and in total there are over 15,000 characters in the NLS. And then we can have a look about the function of n-gram. So firstly, we can try the value of n of 2. And then since we are doing analysis of Chinese text, so we need to take the feature or tokenized by character. And then we have to click on run. So you can see that you can tell that the most frequent words used is 子曰. Yeah, 子曰means Confucius said. So they are over 450 times using in this text in the NLS. And the second one is 君子. So Ryan, do you want to try another value of n?
Maybe you can try 4.
4? Okay.
Yeah.
Value of 4. Let's see what happened. Oh, it is I guess this word 天下有道 is is more, how to say that? We can, so it's more meaningful. Yeah,
useful.
Meaningful and meaningful, right? Because
above like all of above means for somebody said something.
Yeah. So I guess we can. So if you choose the value of 4, it's not really can be a reference point. Maybe I'll try value of 5. Yeah, that's more meaningful.
Complicated.
Yeah, more complicated. And there are some famous slang like 有不如己者, right? So yeah, we can try another test. For example, share. Oh no, I mean another text like 孟子. Yeah. Also, you can copy the URL here. So we can do a comparison of these two texts. Okay, so 孟子 is here. Then we can save the text. So you can see that the NLS has more chapters than 孟子, but the characters is there are less characters than 孟子. So the contents of 孟子is more rich. So we have a comparison between 论语 and 孟子. For example, if we type the insert value of 2, and we can
still 子曰.
Yeah, still 子曰. But of course, the second one is 孟子, right? There are over almost 300 times in this book.
Yeah.
天下.
Maybe because Mengzi is the tutor.
Yeah, 天下, 君子, and 孔子. So it is quite interesting. Because 孔子, the word Confucius appears in both the NLS and 孟子, and in both they appear in both texts many times. Yeah, so we can change the value like 4 and see what happens. So nothing special. Like 5. Cannot be taken the reference. With 3. So I guess value of 2 is the most meaningful value.
I think so.
Yeah, to when we are doing the text analysis. So we can shift to another function. It is similarity. And this function is also interesting. So we can firstly try value of 4 and run. Okay. And then we can do comparison between the different tests, such as, for example, we are doing comparison between the 学而 chapter and the chapter 里人 in the same text in NLS. So they both have the same sentences. And then we can try another one, value of 2, I guess. I think there are more cases. Yeah, there are more cases for reference. Almost most of the
like that the red color is more deep, similarity is
yeah.
It's more similarity.
Let's try 5. Oh. 6. Maybe 3.
Why don't you try 10?
10.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, let's try 10. So if you try 10, they are almost the same sentences.
Yeah, still have many
Yeah,
similar
like this
sentences.
one. 君子博学，曰之以礼.
Mm,
And this is also the sentence is also
yeah.
appearing in another chapter. Yeah. So you can have a different trial of these text tools. So do you have any questions about the
Yes, Ricky. I have a simple question. Is that I don't know what's the meaning of the n-gram function, and I mean, how can this function be applied in the real world?
So the text tools plugins allows for n-grams analysis, which is really essential or important for computational text analysis. This can help scholars quantify term usage or identify textual reuse. It contributes to literature reviews. For example, we can identify shifts in terminology over centuries and track the use of Confucian terms like 人. 人 means benevolence across dynasties. Yeah, we can track the term usage. And
Okay, I understand. It can be more used in the academic field, right?
yes.
Thank you.
So next time, if you are interested about history or Chinese classical text, or you need a reliable sources, you can check out ctext.org and use this plugin to analyze the text. It's more than a library. It's a community preserving 3,000 years of heritage. So that's it. Hope you learned something new and enjoy this little tutorial tonight. Thank you for your time, and let's explore more about the
I think this database is very rich.
Yes. Let's explore more about the website later on. Thank you so much.
Thank you.